Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can change about s into negative t. So we have this one. So we change s into negative t. So negative and negative, we can simplify it. And we have like this. So this one we change for this one. S we change for negative t. And this one too. So because this is about even power, so we have t squared. Next, we can do about factorization by t squared. So the square root of t squared I will put outside. Next, we divide by t on numerator and the denominator. So this one we have number one. So when t approaches to positive infinity, this one we have number 0, this one we have number 0, and now we have the final answer. And that is about negative number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.